Hi, so we will start a new series today on installation of Oracle Database 19C and Form 12C. So let's start. We will first download the software Oracle Database 19C for Windows. It will ask you a username and password of Oracle ordinary account. So you can put the credential and start download. I have already downloaded that in my software folder, so we will extract it now. So for extraction we will choose the same folder we will, where we will install our DB. So this is a folder I have created in my D directory and name DB. So you can select and extract that folder. So before going to installation, we will follow some prerequisites. First of all, we will change our computer name. So this is a generic name, E-Tech Expertise, and I will go into more, and I will put my temporary domain, that is local. So my complete FQN will be etechexpertise.local. We will resolve this name in our host, and for that we will go to Windows, System 32, drivers, etc, and host. We will copy or cut this file on desktop, and here we would put our IP first, then our name. Just save the file and put it back. Next we will go to our control panel and change our Windows firewall setting. And turn it off. We also have to disable IPv6. And only IPv4 will